Tclassified.com. Let's look at this JAMB past question, Geography 2018, question number 30. Use the diagram below to answer questions 30 and 31. And this is the sketch showing a landscape landform. Now the feature marked X in the diagram is A. This is the X. This feature marked X is A. A, speed. B, stark. C, beach. D, George. E, cliff. So this feature that is marked S, what landform is it? What geological landform is it? Now this feature S here is actually a stark. And why is it a stark? Because we know that a stark is a geological landform. So a stark is a geological landform consisting of a steep and often vertical column or columns of rock in the sea near a coast. That is what a stark is. Now it is actually formed, a stark is actually formed by wave erosion. Starks are formed over time by wind and water process of the coastal geomorphology. So that is what a stark is. And looking at the landform, looking at it very well, we are going to see that it has the features of a stark. It falls within this definition and shape. When you check through the textbook, you're going to find out that the shape represented in this landform is what stark is also represented as. So we say that a stark is a geological landform consisting of a steep and often vertical column or columns of rocks in the sea near a coast, and it is formed by wave erosion. And that's why option B is the right answer for these. Thank you.